Look at that. Yes. Woo! All right, my healthy people. So to make our no-bake gluten-free carrot cake squares, I have here 4 cups of rolled oats, and this is gluten-free oats. And this is how you're gonna make your oat flour. So you put your 4 cups inside of your food processor, or if you have a blender, you can use a blender as well. And then you're just pretty much gonna turn this into flour. This is what you're looking for. 1/3 cups of flax and chia blend. For this recipe will be in the description box. Do not worry about it. This is no bake, so I absolutely love that. So once we've added our chia flax blend, we're just gonna mix all this stuff together in here. Very good. And now we're gonna add a cup of shredded carrots. Subscribe to the channel, it's free. Healthy meals and wonderful tips. So I have a cup of peanut butter. Love using peanut butter when I cook. Add 6 medjool dates, pitted, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cups of maple syrup. Put this back on and then just let it go. Guys, look at the way it's starting to come together. The color started to change, and this is exactly what we are going for. Midway through, you want to stop it, and then we're gonna scrape everything down. Actually, I'm gonna add it very slowly. Yeah, the 1/3 cup of milk is perfect, and I'm using almond milk. There we go. Now we're gonna get our baking dish. Still gonna add this in here, so when it's time to get it out, I can just pull it up. Okay, so just make sure you wash your hands, and then you just press it all the way down. Just make sure that it's even. This is what it looks like. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right, my healthy people, so to make our topping for our carrot cake bite, I have 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, which is optional, 1/2 teaspoon of maple syrup, and the cream from a canned coconut. You're just gonna take the cream, only the cream. Creaming everything together. So what I'm gonna do with this, guys, is I'm just gonna sprinkle some pecans on top. Just add it right on top like that. There it is, guys. Our no-bake, vegan, gluten-free carrot cake bites. We're gonna cut these up into bite sizes, and we're gonna enjoy them, and they're gonna absolutely be delicious. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 4 hours. It could be 30 minutes and it's ready to go, but 4 hours is a good enough time. So just give it 4 hours in the refrigerator, and then we'll be back to cut it up and enjoy it. Delicious. All right, my healthy people, so I had this in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. Let's go ahead and take it out. Move that out the way. Look at that. And I'm just gonna put it on this plate right here. Look at that. Yes. Woo! Look, see that? No bake. Here it is, my healthy people. Carrot cake bites, absolutely delicious. They are gluten-free. You're gonna love them. Your kids are gonna love them. You can put whatever nuts that you want to put on it. Let's take one of the corners, see what it looks like. Looks so good. I want to eat it right now. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious, no bake, gluten-free carrot cake bites. Woo! Love, love, love it. Simple, easy, delicious. We got a coconut cream as our icing, and it's absolutely delicious. All right, you're gonna love it. Your kids are gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. If you want more of these delicious recipes, go ahead and hit the bell so you will not miss any time I upload videos. All right, guys? So say it with me. Stay healthy.